Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the risk and return for the 3 or more security portfolio. Okay, 3 or more security. Okay, now let's have a look at the formula of expected return. So previously, we have already learned how to calculate the expected return of the portfolio, which is the RP cap is equal to sum of with J times R cap J. Okay, so the formula maintain the same. Okay, next the portfolio standard deviation. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, formula dia agak panjang. Okay, tapi jangan gelabah dulu. Okay, so I will explain about the formula. Okay, but first we have to understand how to calculate the number of correlation first. Okay, number of correlation or covariance. Alright, so according to Markowitz, the number of correlation or covariance can be calculated as follow. Number of correlation. Okay, which is here. Okay, if let's say lah, okay, we have 3 assets A, B, C. Okay, ada 3 assets kan. So kita nak tahu how many correlation okay exist between 3 assets ni. Okay, so you must remember now. Okay, the correlation ni must be done pair by pair, pasang-pasang, dua-dua. Dia tak boleh 3 sekaligus. So it is either between A and B, B and C, and then A and C. Okay, dia tak boleh between A, B, C. Dia tak ada. Okay, dia pair by pair. Alright, so kalau kita nak test betul ke tak ada 3 correlation, so we can use this formula. Okay, so katalah let's say kat sini ada A, B, C ni 3 assets kan. Alright, 3 assets. Okay, so the number of correlation or covariance, berapa pasangan yang ada. So, n square, okay, minus n divide by 2. Ini square, bukannya 2 besar tu. Okay, so n square, so katalah 3 assets. 3 square minus 3 divide by 2. Okay, so 3 square is 9, minus 3 is 6, and then divide by 2 is 3. So, betul lah ada 3 covariance or 3 correlation. Okay, alright, so ada 3 correlations. Alright, so kita nampak kat sini between A and B 1, B and C 2, A and C 3. Okay, so let's look back at the formula, okay, of the portfolio standard deviation. Alright, so because of I said before, so we have to do it pair by pair. Alright, okay, so for the first one ni, okay, standard deviation of the portfolio is equal to weight A square, okay, times variance A, plus weight B square times variance B, okay, plus weight C square times variance C. Okay, yang berbezanya kat sini lah. So, kita akan tambah pair by pair kat sini ni. Okay, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. Nampak tak? Okay, so next 2 weight A, weight B. So correlation AB dulu. Okay, correlation AB and then times standard deviation A times standard deviation B. Next, we plus the next pair which is 2 antara correlation weight B and weight C pula. Okay, times correlation BC times standard deviation B times standard deviation C. And then for the last pair, 2 weight A, weight C, maksudnya the correlation between A and C. So we times with standard deviation A times standard deviation C. Okay. Alright, so this one dah clear just now. Okay. So that's why the formula, okay, I tulis lagi sekali kat sini. Okay, the standard deviation of the portfolio, okay, for the 3 assets is equal to weight A, variance A times variance A plus weight B square variance B plus weight C square variance C. Okay, nak senang nampak kita buat kat bawah macam ni pula. 2 weight A, weight B. Sebab apa? Sebab the correlation between A and B, and then we times standard deviation A times standard deviation B, and then plus 2 the second pair weight B, weight C. Okay, we times with the correlation between asset B and C times standard deviation B times standard deviation C, and then plus 2 weight A, weight C. Pasangan yang ketiga pula, weight A and weight C. Okay, so it must be correlation between asset A and C times standard deviation A times standard deviation C. Okay, and then don't forget to square root. Okay, so this is the formula of standard deviation of the portfolio for the case of 3 assets. Okay, 3 assets. Okay, so ini kalau dia pakai correlation. Okay, nampak tak? Dekat sini semua all the correlation. Pair by pair. Okay, sama juga kalau covariance pun kita akan buat pair by pair juga. Sama juga macam yang ni kan. Dia sama ada covariance or correlation. Alright, so kalau kata the soalan tu tak bagi kita the correlation, so we have to calculate the covariance. So berapa covariance kita nak kena kira? 3 juga. So for the case of, alright, again, 3 assets, okay, mesti ada 3 covariance. Okay, 3 covariances. Alright, so between A and B, B and C, and A and C. So the formula of the standard deviation of the portfolio, okay, jika pakai covariance, yang depan maintain sama. Okay, weight A square variance A plus weight B square variance B plus weight C square variance C. Okay, variance C. Apa yang saya tulis ni? Okay, variance C. And then plus kat bawah 2 weight A, weight B. Ni, kita nak buat yang ni dulu. Okay, covariance AB. So tadi kalau kita pakai correlation, kita kena darab dengan standard deviation kan. So kalau covariance, just straight away je covariance. And then plus pair yang kedua, 2 weight B, weight C. Covariance pun mestilah between B and C. Alright, and then plus the third pair, 2 weight A, weight C. Covariance dia pun mestilah between asset A and C. And then square root. Okay, so I stop dulu untuk video ni sebab next kita akan continue with the example. Takut banyak tak jadi, nanti kena cut and record semula. So I stop dekat sini dulu. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the formula dulu. Okay, fahamkan the covariance, kenapa pair by pair. Kerana dalam formula dia, kita kena buat pair by pair. Kita tak boleh sekali harung 3, tak boleh. Because of covariance is sepasang. Sepasang tu maksudnya 2-2. Okay. So that's why kat sini pun 2-2. Dekat sini pun 2-2. Alright. Okay, I stop dulu here. And then in the next video, we are going to try the question to calculate risk and return, okay, of the portfolio consists of 3 assets. Okay, thank you.